Wow, Coinbase, finally, Coinbase have now listed C Network. I said in my previous video that the day it was launched, most exchanges were rushing. They were in a hurry to list the coin. You know why? Because millions cash was flowing in and out on C Network. In a day, millions of dollars, over 200 to 300 million dollars cash flow. And you know what it means? Binance was one of the first exchange that listed a coin, including Gate.io and Kraken. They were already there supporting C Network. Then Coinbase also were warming up, and finally Coinbase have actually listed this coin. And not just that, they promised to continue showing great support. Whatever that will help this coin to rise, whatever that will help this coin to pump. And I know that including the burning of this coin. Now, one thing that interests me so much is that they only have 1.8 billion supply. If you can compare it to other crypto coins that have even trillions, yes, they are even ranked above this coin. Okay, they are ranked among the first page of coin market cap. I mean, they are ranked among the top 100, but they have some of these coins have 10 billion, some have 50 billion coins, some even have trillion, 6 trillion, and Shiba Inu 585 trillion. So it is very important to know that C Network coin have just 1.8 billion coins. That means there's a possibility for more pump, more price increase, and maybe if they keep burning this, circulation of this coin will drop, okay, and it will lead to coin scarcity, which means an increase in the price, okay. Just like in the normal market, when the price of any goods is if there's an availability of goods, the particular goods in the market where anyone can just lay their hand on it, the value of that good will definitely drop. But where the availability of such goods is not really much and people really need it, the value of the goods will add. So that is how it works in economic market. The same thing works in financial market. So for me, I'm happy to see they have just 1.8 trillion, 1.8 billion rather, sorry, 1.8 billion supply. So let's see how it goes, and I believe that the financial industry will definitely favor C Network. And I don't know, C Network for me remains one of the best crypto coins right now, trading, and it's hot. Yes, according to CoinMarketCap, it's trading, it's hot right now. Okay, please remember this is not a financial advice. If you have any question to ask about C Network or any other crypto coins, you feel like you are confused in one or two things you want to ask us question, please kindly drop your comment in the comment section below, and please kindly like this video and share this video. Once again, thank you for stopping by.